Okay, boys and girls, this is 7A, the guided practice. I'm going to work on it with you. So everyone should have this out and we're going to work on it together. Side B you will be doing on your own. So I want you to work with me though. So Miss O'Grady can pause the video if you need more time, but I want to make sure that we are understanding how to solve all of these. So let's first put our name. So I'm going to put my name, Mrs. James, and you can put the date. All right, so put the date, today's date, and it's going to be 9/4/20. Okay, number 1, summer vacation begins on the 12th day of the 6th month of the year. So you're going to have to not look at this calendar. You're going to have to look at the month chart on the math meeting wall and find the 6th month. Okay? So if we know what the 6th month, it says on what date. So the 6th month, we can write the number 6 or we can put the word, which is June, right? So you can either write June or you can put the 6th. The 12th day, so we're going to put 12, and the next year. It says next year summer starts. So if this year is 2020, next year will be what? Oops. What did I do with my eraser? Next year will be 21. Okay, so 6, 12, 21. 6th month, 12th day. All right, and next year on what date? And we wanted the full date, not the day of the week, right? So the full date, and you can do it in digits. 6, 12, 21. Okay, I'm not sure you can see my writing really good, so I'm going to try to use a little bit darker pen. All right, or brighter. If today is Saturday, March 14th, 2009, so here's your 2009 calendar, and it says today is Saturday, the 14th. So I'm going to circle that, Saturday the 14th. Okay, it's Saturday and it's the 14th. What will the date in 1 week? What will be the date in 1 week? So if this is the 14th today, what will the date be in 1 week? So we have to jump to the next week. All right, we have to jump to the next week. That's a whole week, 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the date would be March. Let's see if I can write with this. March 21, 2009, because remember, we're using this calendar. Okay, what is the date on the 3rd Tuesday in March? 3rd Tuesday. Okay, here's Tuesday. Don't confuse it with Thursday. This one's Tuesday. TUE is the abbreviation, because we know it goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? We know the order. So Tuesday, the 3rd Tuesday, 1, 2, 3. So what's the date on the 3rd Tuesday? Not number 3, but the 3rd Tuesday. So that would be March 17th, 2009. And that's the date they're asking for. Okay? All right. So number 3. Write the words length and width on the correct line. So remember we learned the longer side is length and the shorter side is width. Okay? All right, inches. We need to use our ruler for this, right? Because it's asking for inches. We want to make sure we're using the correct side. The length is, yep, 4 inches. And the width is 1 inch. So we want to write that in. 4 inches is the length of both sides and 1 inch is the width. Then it is asking us to draw a line segment 3 inches long. So line it up at the 0 and draw it, stop at the 3. There's your line segment. Okay, so you remember doing this with me. Can't really see today. It's not writing very dark. All right, so right here, write all the 2-digit numbers you can make using digits 4 and 5. So remember how to do that. We can write 45, then we can write 54, and then we can use the 4 twice, and we can use the 5 twice. This is where it gets tricky. It says, circle the numbers that have a tens digit of 4. So we're going to look, remember tens and ones. So let's try putting that in the tens and ones chart. Does it have a tens digit of 4? Yes. How about 54? Does it have a tens digit of 4? No. How about 44? Does it have a tens digit of 4? Yes. And 55 doesn't even have any 4s. So that one's not going to work. Okay, so you can always make one of these charts on your paper. Off to the side, and that'll help you. All right, complete the number pattern. So first you have to look at what you have. 36 goes to 37, goes to 38. So we're counting. If I put 36 in my head and I go up, it's 37. One more, 38, 39, 40, 41. Now this way we want to take away, right? Because we have to finish the pattern this way. So it has to be 1 less than 36. 1 less. 35, 1 less, 1 less. Okay, so after you can pause this video and make sure you have everything the way I have it here, and then you're going to do 7B for homework. This side, take a picture of it and submit it on the assignment, the homework 7 assignment. It'll say homework 7B on Seesaw, and you'll submit this in your response, a picture of it after you filled it in. Okay, make sure you write dark with your pencil so I can see it on Seesaw. Okay, good luck.